switching to lit wreaths. I'm not sure, but all my wreaths are lit up, so makes sense. All right, anyways, so at least for now, Ritzie Custom Designs. So today I could not find a center that I like for this little summery wreath that I got going on here. I can't find a center, so I'm gonna paint one. Why not? And today, my brush is gonna be comb. Why not? Never done it. I've seen it done. I'm gonna try it. So, if anybody hops on, I probably won't be able to see your comments because I gotta like turn down. So, hi, thanks for coming. Hope y'all having a blessed day. If you're in Cincy, hope you got out there and enjoyed this weather because it was, oh my God, gorgeous today. And let's do it. All right. So yesterday, I ran out of canvases, so I had to make some canvases, and I had to paint them with the chalk paint, and I didn't want it to mix with my acrylic, so that's what happened yesterday. I'm sorry. So we're going to put a base on, and I've got my little Lazy Susan under here, so I can spin it when I want to spin it. I've got my titanium white for my base, and probably some throughout. I've got my cactus green, it's kind of a limey light green, my hyacinth, it's hard for me to say, purple, lavenderish. This is sunflower yellow, but I added some of the titanium white to it to kind of soften it up a bit. It kind of looked a little orange and mustardy. Then I've got some magenta and some turquoise. So now I put all these at about a 1 second trace, and to find out what your trace is, when you take your bottom of your brush or whatever, this is what I use a brush for, to mix my paint. When you pull it up, it'll be like if you pull it up and let it drip, however long it takes that drip to disappear, that's how long a trace is. So if it takes half a second, 1 second, 2 seconds, that's how you can kind of get your consistency the same throughout all your paints. And then got my Lazy Susan so I can spin, and we're ready to go. So I am going to put a base of white down, and I hope I've got something under here for it to sit on. I just hope it doesn't like flop off when I put the comb down on one side. So we'll see. We're gonna put our base down. I think we'll need to put a little bit more on. Now I'll use my brush. Let's get it nice and level, nice and even. Okay. Now, I'm just pick this up and let it drip itself even. And then we'll let the fun begin. Do, 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 do. Okay, so yeah, I hope y'all, if you had nice weather today, hope you got out there and enjoyed it. But all right, now then I'm gonna start here. I'm just gonna start in the middle and just kind of make a line out. And the lines don't have to be perfect because we're going to be mixing the paint anyway. Sorry, I never know what to say. I always just have music on when I'm doing this. So, woo, that was a lot. Wow. That's all right. We're out here though. Some purple. And obviously I'm not trying to make this perfect. Like, I don't have a set color scheme or anything like that. But now we're going to take our comb, just put it in the middle. And I'm going to get a hold over here. Ah, I lost it. And then I'm just going to get it and do that. That looks pretty cool. That actually does. That looks pretty cool. Kind of digging it. Hopefully the next one will come out a little bit better. We'll see. So I've got another canvas here. I'm going to set this one down over here. That was simple. Easy. And then, let me see. Put this one here. Put our base down. I do want to wipe the paint off of my little bristles here. Let's see. And then we're just going to spread our paint for our base. Kind of like icing a cake. A little bit. And just make sure you get it level. It will kind of level itself out too, so you don't have to be exact with it, but you do want to check and make sure you don't have any bubbles, because bubbles will make cells.
Yes, hi, this is Sean.
And cells aren't what you want. So I will go through with a lighter, because I'm seeing some bubbles coming up in this one. So just take your lighter. My turbo's out of juice, but you just use a regular lighter, go through, pop these bubbles, or if you have a toothpick or something, pop the bubbles. Man, this paint's a little thick. So,
yes, ma'am.
Try to drip some of it off. Make sure you put something down to protect your surface. And then, all right, that's better.
Yes, this is
all right.
Sean, the client that billing representative sent me to where
So
I was
we want to pop down too. So, got some more bubbles. Boop, boop. And let's go with some magenta. And then I'll do some turquoise straight across this one. Whoop. And I'll do the green going this way. I think I want as much yellow in this one, so maybe just a little there and a little there, and then we'll get some purple, and then we'll get our comb, and I just put a little bit of pressure down, just enough to kind of straighten this board out, or my canvas out. That looks pretty cool. I may actually add a little more pink to it, a little more magenta. but it is that easy. That looks pretty cool. All right, so it's that simple to paint with a cone. Anyways, I hope y'all have a great day. I will post pictures when I finish these and when they dry and I put them in the center of the wreath. I am going to add some more pink, but hope y'all have a blessed day and see you later. Bye.